Hello everyone, what's up? So as you guys can see, I have Redmi Note 5 Pro with me and I'm going to be doing a gaming review, and I have hardly made a video from this phone. Like, I bought this very late. I think I did a speed test with it and unboxing. So yes, in this video going to be doing a gaming review, and I thought that I will do it when it will get Android 8.1 update. So yes, and also I'm going to be doing a graphic comparison side by side with Honor 7X and Mi A1 as well. So yeah, I think we should get started. So as you guys can see, I have installed Grand Theft Auto, and yeah, first of all, let me show you the graphic comparison side by side, guys. So as you guys can see, all three phones, first we have this Honor 7X and Mi A1 here, and Redmi Note 5 Pro in the middle. So on camera you might think that Redmi Note 5 Pro has the best display. It has, but actually I like the display of Mi A1 a little bit more. Now on camera it looks like it has a bit of more color, but when you see live, I mean, like you're seeing on camera, so it looks kind of different. But it doesn't mean like Honor 7X and Redmi Note 5 Pro has a bad graphics at all. So yeah, anyways guys, let's get to the review. So yes guys, we should start, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it, and also hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a video. And also, if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, it does help a lot. And here we go. Let's quickly grab this cycle, and here we go. Analog. Okay, so let's go right this time. I usually go left. Let's do it a bit different in this test, and let's try to get a vehicle, cause that's where the fun is. Hopefully I find it real quick. And okay, so I can see some vehicle over here. Let's quickly get down, and it's a taxi, so let me take this one. And let's get on with it. So as of now, I don't see any lag or anything like that. Now a lot of times I've seen this Grand Theft Auto, it just crashes and shuts down. So if it happens with your phone also, then it's not the problem in your phone, it's the APK that has the problem. I have heard many people say that the game crashes. So yes, it happens with all my phones. And let's go right. So yeah guys, I think it's going really good. I have hardly seen any lag or anything like that, guys. Let's find an area where there is more traffic. Oops, so I'm not at all good when it comes to playing on these phones, guys. So as you can see me crashing everywhere. Okay, so I think I should change my vehicle because it's pretty much done. And okay, so this one looks good. Now if this game runs smooth on a smartphone, then pretty much, if not all, many games will. It's a really heavy game, and I have hardly seen any lag, guys, any lag at all. So it is going really smooth. And yes, as I said guys, it's a heavy game, so if it plays nice, most of the game will. Now as I said guys, I haven't done the review when it was running Android 8.0. I don't know how it was going then with the gaming and all, but 8.1, I think it's one of the best I've tested. And as you can see, that not lagging at all, guys, not at all. I think it is going really good. And oops, I shouldn't be messing with this car, but anyways, let's continue. And as I said guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe. And let's quickly grab this vehicle once again and play a bit more. And okay, now this phone obviously has a Reno 509, which is proving to be really fine. And honestly, I expected this phone to do well in gaming, and it is actually doing the same. So I'm really happy with the gaming review, guys. Looking at the pricing, I think it is the best. And as you can see, the graphics and all, it is also good. As I said, once again, side viewing angles. are also decent. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps it up. That was a gaming review, and as I said, if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will be making more videos with this phone and also the other gadgets which comes out. So make sure you subscribe, and I've also done the speed test comparison of Redmi Note 5 Pro with Redmi Y2. If you want to check that out, that's also on the channel. So yeah, and I will be making, as I said, I will be making the video of Mi A1 which just got the 8.1 update. So make sure you are subscribed, and yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.